A Durga Puja Pandal this year commemorated the 75 years of the adoption of the Constitution of India through art. From beautiful paintings, installation architecture to color palette, every corner of the Pandal beautifully highlighted different aspects of the Indian Constitution. Artist Asim Paul, who conceptualized and executed the entire Pandal, ensured that even the lighting arrangement and idols were in tune with the theme titled which is celebration. The Pandal not only grabbed attention for its artwork but intrigued many as it highlighted several lesser known facts about our constitution.
ভারতবর্ষ ভালোবাসি